Hey guys, so after the announcement of the Realme 6 and 6 Pro, the ball's now in Redmi's court, and it will be interesting to see if they can shake things up a bit with the Redmi Note 9 series launching on the 12th of March. We might see the launch of 3 devices at the event, which is again going to be online only due to the outbreak. The phones supposedly are the Redmi Note 9, Redmi Note 9 Pro and the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Yes, Redmi may be launching a Pro Max variant of the phone which will go all out on specs. We don't have a lot of information on it though, just that this phone could be powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 800 SoC, or which makes it the first phone to come with that chipset. It is a 7nm premium mid-range SoC and competes with the Snapdragon 765G. It's got 4 Cortex A76 cores clocked at 2 GHz each and 4 Cortex A55s clocked at the same speed. For 5G, it has an integrated modem unlike the Snapdragon 865 and the Exynos 990, which both have a discrete modem for 5G. That should help in lowering the battery consumption, as when you have it integrated, it's bound to use less battery. It supports both standalone and non-standalone sub 6 GHz 5G network for wider coverage, making use of the two-carrier aggregation, providing a 30% wider high-speed layer. The rest of the specs may be similar to other models, like a quad camera setup along with a dual front camera, a 5020 mAh battery and a 90Hz display refresh rate. The use of the Mediatek Dimensity 800 makes it a very interesting phone, and this will also be the first one to do so. On the other hand, the Redmi Note 9 and the Redmi Note 9 Pro may launch with the Snapdragon 720G chipset. The USP of these devices is of course the quad camera setup on the back with a 48 megapixel main sensor along with an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, a macro lens and a depth sensor. Which sensor they would be using for the main camera is still not confirmed. On the front, we may see a dual 16 megapixel punch hole camera on the Pro model and a single camera on the normal model. According to Ishan Agrawal, the display on the Note 9 Pro would be a 6.67 inch Full HD Plus 20:9 LCD module with Corning's Gorilla Glass 5. A 5020 mAh battery along with 18 watt fast charging completes the package. The phone will also be available in 3 colors, namely Aurora Blue, Glacier White and Interstellar Black. I'm really excited about the Glacier White. Which color is your preference? Do let me know in the comments. Ishan also mentions that the phones would come with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, which is most likely the case given the IPS LCD display. And he also says that the phones might only come with 60Hz refresh rate, although he does mention that he's not sure about this. And even I think so. To go 60Hz on a phone which is touted to be a gaming beast is a little hard to digest, especially since the Realme 6 and 6 Pro both come with a 90Hz panel. As usual, the phones will come with 464, 6128 models, but what's interesting is that they will use ISRO's Navic chip for positioning. That's it guys, that's all we know about these phones as of now. I wanted to give you all everything what we know about these devices so that you can decide if you want to wait for them or buy something else, especially since the launch is just 2 days from now. Please share this video with someone who is interested in purchasing a phone in this price range. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye.